mailbox has had it. It got hit again last night, and so I'm going to attempt to install a new mailbox post and make it look better. This should be fun. We got the anchor driven into the ground, and the trouble is we live on gravel, and there's always some kind of equipment coming down through here, farm equipment or road graders or you name it, it's coming down this road. And my mailbox gets hit. Last night it was my brother-in-law that took it out, so he went and bought me a new post, and I'm trying to get it together. I think that's good.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Can't keep my hair in my face.
Oh my gosh! Red wasp! Red wasp!
I see it. Don't bother it.
Kill it.
All right, now we got to secure the cross arm to the post using these two deck screws here. I brought my this little thing is so neat, but I don't know if it's got enough power, so I might have to get a larger
battery.
One of these. Drill. That's the word I'm looking for.
Larger drill.
I don't know. We'll see.
Maybe. Maybe not. What if somebody's coming down the road?
Well, then we'll be smart and
What?
let them have the road, won't we?
So we'll just get on that side of the yard and let them go down?
Yeah.
We just climb up into the mud?
Well, we would just stand out of the way.
I've seen a skunk up in here before. I was just walking to the mailbox to check the mail with you, and there was a skunk.
Skunk?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't want one of them, do we?
It was so scary.
Here comes one.
I'll stop this.
Okay. All right, I had enough strength. My little tool had enough strength to get these screws down in there. Let's see what's on the next step. All right, post assuming we need to put the dowel in here. That's the red wasp. Where did it go?
It flew out.
Okay. As long as he doesn't try to make me his friend.
I think he left. Hopefully.
Attach the top post to the bottom post assembly with the dowel by starting the dowel screw in both the top post and the cross arm. Okay. And it should thread itself. Let's hope that works right.
Normal people don't have to cross the road to their mailbox. You should be like that too. You know, my person's road.
Well, what's the fun in that, Scarlett?
Not being ran over? I really have a point. The screw is twisted.
Yes, it is.
That's not, I think
That's the way it's supposed to go.
You want me to bury that stick? This? So it won't be so wobbly, maybe? That wasn't on the old one, right?
No, that was made a little different, wasn't it?
Mhm. That wood smells actually good.
Cedar.
I like it. It smells really, really good.
Sweetie, move, please.
Okay.
Got our brackets measured out just right to match the holes on the screw holes on the mailbox. The mailbox is in really rough condition, but it's okay. You do what you gotta do till you can do better. We're just gonna screw these down and then set that on these brackets. Then we've got some nuts and bolts in my pocket. We're going to attach the mailbox to the brackets. Hopefully, we're doing this right. Oh, that's hard. Whew, okay, I had to go break out the bigger equipment to get these screws in here. This stuff is tough. Now, my old broken down mailbox should, in theory, fit in these brackets. That. Would like to run it. So we get this all set down in here. Maybe. As par for the course, this took a whole lot longer than what it should have. But I'm learning a whole lot. Anyway, I had trouble lining up the brackets with the things, the holes, because this is old. I don't know how long I've had this mailbox, but you can tell that it's been well loved. Not well taken care of because it's been hit I don't know how many times. But we finally got them lined up and we got it all screwed on so it's not going anywhere. And it opens and it closes. So we're good. Yay! First mailbox install correctly.